My name is Matthew Ricks and I'm the president here at Matcom. The company started in 1976. It's a family-run business that my grandfather started us down this path in the early 60s. And since then, we've grown to be one of the largest non-union machinery moving companies in the country. We employ just about 100 people and we move roughly $300 to $400 million worth of machinery every year. From there, we've branched out from just moving machines into doing the mechanical installation, so piping, air, gas, water, which was a natural extension of the installation of the machinery itself.
As a foreman, I am in charge of a crew, anywhere from two people, could be up to 6 people. Being a foreman, you're running the job, you're dealing with customers, trucking, loading of equipment, offloading of equipment. When we go to site, we'll take it into the building, usually place it where the customer wants it.
I've been a driver for 6 years. 8 months I've been working at Matcom. I'm an AZ driver. I also an operator for the forklifts when on site. I really enjoy working here. I get to work with a bunch of different people each day, some which I've worked with before and some that are new. I have a lot of variety and different tasks and challenges every day.
So employee engagement at Matcom is extremely important. Communication is the key to most of what we do. We try and have a quarterly town hall meeting, and that quarterly town hall meeting lets us inform the employees of some of the initiatives that we're working on, as well as receive feedback from them in order to get some of their ideas back into the fold and hopefully engage them further. We also have a company newsletter that we try to put out quarterly as well. We do family day events where the whole family is involved, bring the kids. And we find that bringing the family back into the fold at a work event really does help to reinvest and promote ideas from the field staff into the office to help keep things moving.